excited. I'm excited.
I want to finish somebody.
If this guy with me in this video, Shay, map me now. I will die, but I'm not. I'm joking. But like, if he eventually wins, hi, you people should come and take my certificate. You people should take it because. Oh no, let me not jinx it. Let's just watch and see. We'll see you guys. Let's start cooking, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your favorite couple in the building. We are the
Cariboys family.
We want to say welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And for our old subscribers, we say welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a cooking challenge. As you can already see, we are in the kitchen. Hey, this video, hey. So this video is going to be popping. It's going to be what? Popping. I just wanted to say popping. Anyways, we're in the kitchen. We're about to make some noodles. So we already have testers in this building. We have testers. So you know what? We're going to be doing the noodles challenge. So I'm going to cook mine and he's going to cook his. We have almost the same ingredients, if not the same ingredients that we'll be using. So let's go. Let's show you what we have in the kitchen. Baby, what are you going to say?
I don't have much to say. My wife has been disturbing me since we started staying
Every time
together.
I've been disturbing you.
You have been disturbing me always. Always my wife is disturbing me. She knows how to cook more than me. I told her, yeah.
What is she knows how to cook?
Yeah. She said she knows how to cook more than me. So this Indomie now, this is where I specialize. Most of my specials is here. So let me show my wife. I just want to form my
What
wife.
did he say? Bala blue.
Oh,
blue.
No problem. You see me now. So guys, let's start the challenge.
Let's show you guys what we have. Peace.
So we'll have our pot here. We'll have our Indomie sardine, egg, and we have two cardboards. We have
our onion. We have our pepper,
and we have our shrimps. So guys, let's start the challenge.
Let's go. I'm excited. I
want to finish somebody.
If this guy with me in this video, Shay, map me now. I will die, but I'm not. I'm joking. But like, if he eventually wins, hi, you people should come and take my certificate. You people should take it because. Oh no, let me not jinx it. Let's just watch and see. We'll see you guys. Let's start cooking, baby. Alright guys. So I'm just gonna start mine. Let me on my water. No pee. No, everybody cook the way you know how to cook.
Started cutting my onions already. So my wife said no pee.
No pee.
She think it's funny actually. No problem. I'm not pee. I will not pee you. But you will see me today. I'm just going to do something that will shock everybody. You remember the last video we did, the challenge we did?
Let's just wait now.
The pepper Indomie.
I mean, show him how the eye is cutting his onion, so people should see his hand.
No problem. Guys, I know a lot of people will be praying for me to win. And I will win. I won't fall your hands. Don't worry.
I know.
I won't fall your hands. So,
a lot of people will be praying for me to win. So,
chef, look how I'm cutting these onions. Only the way I'm cutting these onions alone, I've won already.
Let me see.
Why you want to come and see?
Wait, when now you're cutting this thing nice. When they ask you to cut onion this house, you'll be pretending.
I'll be pretending like I'm not cutting the onions. What's going on now?
Let's see.
I can't wait to fall my wife's hand. So guys, I want to show this woman I have something. This is why back in Nigeria, I'm good. Cooking Indomie is my professionality this evening. So I will do something, guys. Cooking Indomie is part of me. So I'm done with my onion. So now it's time to cut my pepper.
Yeah, I'm done with the peppers. I want to do the shrimp.
The onion is no onion, you know, babe.
And
And yeah, I'm supposed to be crying by now.
me, my own, I'm crying already. Oh.
Ah.
So I don't know what you
Which means I'm not having that high problem again. I think I was having. I'm not, it's not on your end.
Last time my husband made noodles, it was so black.
It's not about the blackness.
Let's see how this one will turn out.
My onion is not onion
Okay,
anymore.
so we're gonna share the shrimp. I'll give you this one.
My onion is not.
I'm ready now. So I have my bell pepper, not bell pepper, sorry. I have my tomato pepper, I have onions, and I have my shrimp, and I have my water. I'm just waiting for it to boil, and I'm gonna put my noodles in here. Everybody cook your own. Oh.
So guys, I have my onion, my pepper, my shrimp, my egg, my indomie, and my Titus. So you will see what I will prepare today. You will see, you wish if you're here to taste my indomie. I'm not afraid. No one is going to oppress me with kitchen thing. But I want to oppress me.
I'm not oppressing you. If you win this time, if you win, you start cooking in this house. Deal?
If I win,
You
you will not disturb me again. If I lose,
No. If you win, you start cooking in this house.
how is that possible?
Simple as everything. Are the best cook to take over.
No, the best cook will not take over. She's trying to shift the cooking areas to on my head.
If you win,
It will not work. Oh. It won't work. So guys, I'm preparing my indomie. I'm going to soak my indomie with hot water.
they don't normally soak their own. Oh, now they want to cook.
I will soak my indomie with hot water. So it will be soft before I start boiling.
When did
it.
you start?
That is how I prepare my indomie. Like, you don't know what are they calling them in Nigeria? Sef?
Oh.
Those aboki people that prepares indomie along the road.
Let's see. Oh. Nobody should spy you.
Those aboki men that prepares indomie along the road. I've been waiting for this day. Like this day, I'm waiting for this day.
This thing.
Turn my indomie inside my pot. So let's go. With the way I'm holding this
What that did not turn
thing,
on their stove?
you know that
Me, I turn on
you
my
know
stove.
that I'm
Oh.
not always inside this kitchen.
Baby, this is my set. You know they are not cooking. This is your
Don't mind that.
number one thing.
Don't mind that. She's laughing at me. Intubu tumbu baska laba tumba laba boss. Alaba laba.
Is that one? Let me help you. That's okay.
Tumbu mess and boss. Who mess?
Hey, you feed your family people. See, you cannot even tell us.
Leave it.
Yeah, so.
My wife is afraid that I'm going to win her, so she's trying to spoil me before you guys. People, this Indomie. I've been
I'm using-
thinking on call for the past 5 days. So I'm about to finish somebody. Oh. I'm about to finish somebody. I'm about to finish somebody. Oh. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn the water.
Save the water away. Okay.
Just want the indomie to be soft. When the indomie is soft, I shift the water. Then I put all my ingredients.
Hey, look at the sieve if you want. Hey.
She's doing something. This one is not involved.
We
didn't show you guys.
the way you
We
want
didn't show
it.
you guys the pepper.
No.
I told you guys pepper and everything.
Use your
She's
ingredients
using
now.
butter. Why she's going to use butter?
Hey, God.
This one, I'm not in support of this one.
Everybody cook whatever you know how to cook. That's it. Wait, let me see if this is mine.
My water. I'm waiting for my water now. Do you know what happened, guys? Yesterday in the night.
Are you boiling your egg or frying?
I'll
If you're
boil my
boiling, start
egg.
boiling now.
Yeah, last night I went to look at my wife and our almost 3 months old baby. And I found out that the guy was sleeping and my wife was sleeping, but The room was not comfortable for me to stay because my wife was just polluting everywhere.
Shit, babe.
When I asked her, babe, did you pollute? She will tell me no. The next
Babe, don't
second,
disgrace your wife. Fine girl like me.
something will be smelling. I'll wake up again, babe, did you pollute? You will tell me no, but
Baby, stop.
something will be smelling inside the room. I don't have any option. I have to leave the room for my wife. Baby.
Let's share this equally.
So I'm set now. I want to remove like the water from the Indomie. Somebody is happy that I want to feel.
Come and share the sardine too. Before you say, let me use some of the water if you want.
So the water is off. The pot is about to go down. It's about to go down.
This is yours. All right, so my prom is already cooked.
I'm about to boil my egg.
So this is it.
I'm about to boil my egg. What am I going to use? Okay, do we have hot water here?
No.
No. I'm not sure if I'm going to add egg. No.
You don't add egg.
I don't want to add egg.
What of frying the egg?
I'm not frying anything.
You're not frying.
You want to form my hand through frying.
I'm not.
You want to form my hands. So guys, I want to
See, I was supposed to put my onion first though. But anyways, this competition like this is competing.
I'm about to turn my ingredients inside the pot.
Come and see how serere my own is.
Let it be serere. I'm about to turn. I'm putting my ingredients, everything inside. Some people are happy that
I'm just going to reduce my stove.
I will not feel.
Okay.
I will not feel.
And
So I'm about to add my sardine inside. When you taste my food today, you wish, if you're a lady, you wish you have a husband like me. You will wish you have a husband like me.
Hey. Baby, your own is looking good though.
Jealous.
But it's noodles. Anybody can make noodles.
Anybody can make noodles. Oh, now everybody can make noodles. Guys, can you hear the sound of my pots? I'm about to put the spices inside. So
I've been drinking
the spices.
alcohol
For the I stained the stove already.
That's okay, we'll clean it.
Stained the stove already.
Did you notice me?
I have stained the stove already. The black stuff, I'm not supposed to turn that black stuff because I haven't used it before. Why am I using that one? I think I need scissors, please. Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, I thought you used the scissors.
I didn't use the scissors the first time.
See, if you don't have to cook, you don't talk too much. Salt bay. You just do your thing.
So, adding the second spice.
Oh, come and see now. My Indomie is Indomie. Hey!
Okay.
Here's my spice.
So, guys, we don't talk too much. You guys will see me today. You guys will see. You will taste something today.
Please, can I get the scissors? You're wasting time.
I'm not done with the scissors, please.
Hey.
Guys, you will see. I'm almost done. After this.
Let's clean this place
things. After adding
I'm cleaning your mess up for you.
After adding the spices, I will just start everything. So you can have the scissors.
Thank you. Took you 1 hour.
I have to clean my hands. So I'm about to return the stove back. Turn the stove back on. Then I transfer my. I was using fork now. Where did I keep the fork?
That's it there.
So guys,
I keep helping you. Look at this. Take this
look
one.
at this.
Take that one.
Because you're the one that saw me when I was keeping it back.
Take it easy, bro.
So I'm about to. It's about to go down.
I've been drinking alcohol for the past 5 years.
She's looking at my Indomie. She's afraid. She's afraid.
You wish.
She's afraid. She's afraid.
You wish, boo.
She's afraid.
All right.
I've seen myself like I'm shy back in Nigeria. Those streets, Indomie.
Okay, in Port Harcourt, you know. I don't know if they have it in
They have it
Lagos.
in Lagos. No chai.
But I know for Port Harcourt, they do have it.
Today my wife will see my weight.
I'm not testing it now.
I know now. They will tell you now. They will give you the
Yeah,
testers.
this is even good for me because now that you know how to cook noodles, you'll be doing it for us.
I've been cooking noodles now in this house. Am I not cooking
No, the
noodles?
noodles is not even as good as this one. The one you normally cook is so black.
Black, eh?
Yes,
Spoil me before the camera. Spoil me.
that one is
spoil
black.
Me.
So this one is even better.
Spoil me before the camera. Oh.
Look how yummy. I'm done cooking.
It's not by yummy. Don't be
I'm
showing.
Whenever you're done, let's get this popping.
So guys, this is it.
Are you done?
I'm all set.
Let me put this.
I'm all set. I'm all set. I'm all set.
Let me clean this.
You're good. I'm good. I'm good at this. I'm good at this.
Let me clean this place.
I'm good at this. I'm good at this. I'm good at this. So, the testers.
It's just one person that is testing, no? Our international. Hey.
It's just challenge. You're cooking challenge. You want to throw punch.
I'm not throwing punch. Guys, I know I have confidence and I'm excited that I'm going to win. If you know I'm going to win, keep saying Festa in the comment section.
Festa.
Baby girl for life, oh, baby girl for life.
I wish Andre is grown enough to test this Indomie. I want to create a legacy. Like when I was growing up, Andre would tell his friends, when I was growing up, back home, my mom and my dad, they had a cooking challenge and my dad won. I just want to please have something like that there. So guys, me, I'm ready. I don't know about her. I don't know about my wife. Indomie, Sereyo.
I'm ready.
The Indomie is set.
Let's give you chef flavor. Just bring all the mene.
The Indomie is set. The Indomie is set.
I wanted to add more pepper, but because this guy, if I choose another pepper now, you complain that he did not show people that one. So let's just do.
Drinking more.
All right. My Indomie is good using.
Look at my Indomie. My Indomie is Indomie.
Are you ready? I am ready.
I am ready.
I am ready and I'm excited.
I am ready. Okay.
Ready.
No. Guys, stop acting confused now. Why am I acting confused?
As a chef, that I am professional chef, you know, in the restaurant, everything is clean. Let's see.
Some people are afraid.
I can't believe you can make nice noodles like this.
I can see people.
Oh, mine is nice.
My wife is afraid. Seriously.
I'm not scared.
My wife is afraid. She's scared. Like, are you sure this man is not going to win me?
You can use whatever you want to use now.
Are you sure this man is not going to win me?
All right, though.
Are we doing the testing here or in the sitting room?
I don't know. Let's just see. Let's go and call her out and see where she wants to sit and test it. We'll see you guys.
I don't know who get different, bro. You know why you don't want to do cooking? No, boy, I think I get this one.
You put this, the noodles. So our international grandma here is going to be testing the noodles and she will tell us which one she prefers among these two. So go ahead and try it, grandma.
Wow. In front of me, I have 2 plates of food.
Mm-hmm.
The same food dough.
Yeah.
Prepared by
Festa.
Derek.
Okay. I don't know who made who or who made which, but I got to taste. And
You find out which one you like.
I will go with the best.
Okay, let's see. With the best. Bang, bang.
You know, people,
All right.
we know how to cook. We don't talk. Let
I start
the
from
testing.
my right hand.
All right, let's go then.
This is sumptuous.
Let's
This
see.
is delicious.
I'm gonna be
Wow.
closer to you so they can
Wow.
capture me.
You can see I'm putting it in my mouth.
Mm-hmm. How do you feel? You never expected it?
Wow.
I don't like making noise.
Wow.
I don't like making noise.
I need to take more.
Go ahead. Do you want to explain, like,
Oh. Oh.
is it pepperish? Is it?
Let me. I'm coming.
No rush. No rush. My bad. I take full responsibility.
Some people are afraid. She's afraid. She's asking a lot of questions. Have you seen me ask any question?
Go ahead and ask questions.
I'm
You're
not
free.
going to ask any question. Let the
Okay.
tasting do all the work.
Wow. That's okay.
All right.
It's okay. Okay.
To the
We
next
have
plate.
Another taste
Mm-hmm.
on my left. Wow, looking at it, I'm seeing colors, which is so attractive.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm getting,
That's
I'm not
nice.
eating it, but I'm having a good taste already.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Mm.
Krum. You hearing that krum sound?
Yes.
That krum, krum, krum. I said my name will be changed to
Why
be
don't you
shy.
allow me to say it?
Sorry. I can hear krum.
Wow.
Shh.
Hmm.
I can hear krum, krum,
I'll
krum.
go again with the color in it.
This is what we are good at. Have you tasted my hot water? If you taste my hot water, you know this Indomie is no sweet.
Wow. Yeah.
If you taste my hot water, you know Indomie. It's nothing. We cook hot
Wow.
water with spices.
So tasty. So sumptuous. Okay.
Do you want to review? Let's do the drum roll, if you want to review.
Okay.
Do you want to review? Let's do the drum roll, or what do you want?
What do you want? Just
All
tell
right.
us what you want to do.
Do you want to eat again and before you make decision?
Oh. Let me go more.
Okay, go more. Nzobu oyimba, nzobu oyimba, nzobu. Let's
How people are
go.
singing to keep themselves comfortable. I cook Indomie for a living.
Oh, God.
This is what I do for a living back in
I can
Nigeria.
still get that crunchy taste.
Ah, la. La. Indomie.
Yeah.
See, I can cook Indomie throughout one day. I will not complain.
Ooh. I'm not supposed to be in a hurry.
Just take your time.
Okay.
Take your time. We are not in a hurry.
Yeah.
Take your time.
This again goes into my mouth. Mhm.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
Okay.
Take your time. Ah.
Wow. Mm.
Do you want to?
Yeah.
Drum roll.
Woo.
All right.
Oh.
Let's go.
See,
Mhm.
if I give you my judgment, I have to say one or two things.
Okay, go ahead. Microphone.
I can say that the dish by my right side
All right.
is more spicy.
All right.
You can have another taste.
All right.
The crummish.
Okay. Spicy.
Oh, I can cook Indomie for
Soft.
a day.
Nice.
Good to look at. Nice color. All right, let me go to my left. Once more.
My baby is up. Well, keep testing. I'll be right back.
Wow.
The Indomie. The Indomie of the century. That's what I'm going to call this.
Come. Sit that.
Oh, well. If I should go.
Let's
Wait, I'm coming.
You do the judgment in front of me.
All right.
Before
All
you
right,
tell
I'm
me
here, I'm here.
I bribed you.
I'm here.
Okay. Now, cooking in Africa,
My
especially
baby
in
is up.
Nigeria,
He's awake.
is a woman thing. But here in this part of the world, we cannot say that it's a woman thing. The man cooks even better than the woman. So, that notwithstanding, I don't know who cooked which. Can say that the dish in my right hand is more spicy, while the one at my left is more crunchy. So, being an elderly woman, I like spicy food. Yeah, I like spicy food. But again, I like the crunchy taste of this very particular one. So finally, I go for the crunchy food.
Put you in the game. Let me put you in the game. I told you guys that I cook Indomie for a living. Back in Nigeria, I don't eat any other thing than Indomie. When I came to Canada, I was so skinny that people were asking me if I was sick. I wasn't sick. I eat Indomie for a living because I can't cook any other food. So guys,
how come you
let me put you in the game. I'm the man.
People should come and take my license. Don't worry, you start cooking noodles with this. Congratulations.
Guys, let me put you in the game.
Congratulations.
I'm good at this. I'm good at this, guys.
Baby,
now. I'm good at this, man. I'm good at this. I need to no. I need to go buy myself some gift.
Did you taste this food very well?
And let me taste my food, the food that I cooked.
Hey. See, my son is laughing. Papa, grandma did not taste it very well.
Guys, see, you need to, my friends, we need to be proud of me. You guys need to be proud of me, man.
Wow. Guys, this one actually won. Mine, they just like it because it's spicy. Whoa.
You guys need to be proud of me. I'm tasting my Indomie that I cooked.
I never expected this. Anyways, but we move.